Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. This is Rich. Katie's asleep down on the river. Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. It's a little windy today here on the river, man, but it's nice. It's beautiful. It's a little cloudy, but as you can hear, probably, it's windy. We're having gusts of those 70, 50, 60, 70 mile an hour. Due to a dilapidated tree, I am not going to break out in the wind. I'm not going to break out the mixing today. I was going to cook on the mixing for you guys, but I think I'm going to go ahead and give it a rest and do it a little more concealed environment. So what we're doing for you today is I always like going to my local butcher shop. They're Mennonites. They don't do social media or no internet sales, so I'm not going to mention the name. They're just a local Mennonite butcher, always fresh, always good quality meat. I got a 14-pound fresh bone-in ham. So we prepared it last night. We are going to cook it on our pit barrel cooker so we can have it ready to eat this afternoon or this evening. So I got plenty of time to get stuff done. So we're going to get the pit barrel fired up, and we'll get back to you before we put that ham on. Guys, excuse the porch. Here's our ham. I took and removed the fat off the top. It had fat on it. I wanted to get the bark. I don't want a bunch of fat. So I cubed it. I sprinkled it with, you ever seen this stuff before? OBQ sweet heat, spicy brown sugar. This is really good. I love the spices that it has. It really tastes good. I mean, I think it reminds me of a Christmas ham, which again, we're doing this for Thanksgiving. So you can do this for Christmas. This is a good Christmas idea. I scored it and all that to make sure to rub, and the injection, I inject it with apple juice, a little bit of Fab P, if you know what that is. So if I had it in the cupboard, it turned out really good, and you can see it's really caramelized. I put a little more on top. So we're gonna get this on the pit barrel cooker, and we're smoking it today with cherry wood from Vaughn Wood Products. You'll see me wearing their shirts. They're our wood sponsor for our team. There's a little bit of hickory. So we're gonna put it on the pit barrel cooker. I'll get to you. All right, guys, we got our ham on our pit barrel. Just enough room. We are going to use our ThermaWorks Chef Alarm today. We're going to cook it to 185. We're going to come back in about an hour and maybe switch it with a little bit of apple juice. Let's see where we're at now. All right, guys, it's been 1 hour straight up. Let's check on this turkey. We're at 48 degrees, and let's see what this pit barrel's been doing to this thing. Oh yeah, look at that. Thing's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and give it another half hour, and I'm gonna start spritzing it with a little bit of apple juice. So we'll see when we spritz. Hey guys, I went ahead and spritzed that ham probably 15 minutes after we got off after I shot that last clip. It is smelling fantastic, and so I just want to, blabber for a couple minutes as it's a difficult day. Mother passed last year, just before this time, just before Thanksgiving. So, I kind of miss her. I miss her. I do miss the hell out of her. So, it's just one of those things that, give to your family. So always thanks. Don't take nothing for granted. Because if you do, you're going to lose it. It'll be gone. So spend all the time you can with your family, guys. It's that time of year. So the ham is looking good, smelling good. And we'll see when we get back to the pit barrel. All right, folks, it's been 2 hours total, but 1 hour since we talked to you. Let's take a look at this ham. Whew, looking good. I've been spritzing it with butter and apple juice. Get a little brown there on me right there. So, nice little crust. So we'll keep squirting her down. We'll see you in 2 hours this time. Hopefully we'll be wrapping this thing up. All right, guys, it's been another 2 hours. We are 4 hours into this cook. Now let's take a look at this thing. Man, can't really see it all that well, but look at that. It's getting a little dark on the top. I'm going to go ahead and put this thing in aluminum foil and let it finish off. I like the color. So we will see you when we put it back on the cooker. All right, guys, we got this thing aluminum foiled up, and all we did was put a little parquet squeeze butter in there. And we got our chef alarm back in there. We're gonna cook this thing to 185. We'll see you at 185. All right, it's been 6 hours. We're gonna get this ham off. We are at 172. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna glaze it. And I'll see you when I glaze it up. All right, guys, we're gonna look at this together. I took some of it off. We're gonna dig in this together. Look at our ham. Wow. What? Look at that. That thing looks phenomenal. That's a bone. But yeah. We didn't want it to where it fell apart. Starting to pull the bone there. I want to slice it. It should be tender. So we're not done with it yet. We're going to glaze it up with this glaze. And that glaze is simply just, I will leave the ingredients to the glaze in the description box. It is just simply like honey, brown sugar, and like onion powder and stuff like that. I'll leave the recipe in the description box. So I'm gonna get this glazed up and I'll get back with you. There it is. We got it glazed up. We're gonna put this back on the pit barrel cooker just long enough to set that glaze, and we're gonna leave it rest, and we will slice it up. So we will see when you take it off in about maybe 20 minutes to about 20 minutes. So set that glaze. In 20 minutes, our glaze is pretty much set. Look at that. I think it looks phenomenal. I'm going to pull this off and take it in the house and leave it rest. We'll see when we slice it. All right, guys, this thing's been resting for about 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and get into this thing. I can't wait. That thing smells fantastic. Let's go ahead and we got our, let me know if you can't see it, Gunter Wilhelm ham slicer. You saw us use on our turkey. Let's go and get into this ham. Wow, tender. Look at that. Look at the smoke ring. I think it looks fantastic. Just gonna take another slice off here. Wow, look at that. Huh?
It's kind of funny.
Look at that, got the smoke ring and everything. Pulls right apart. Thing's fantastic. Oh my God, it smells great. So we'll get readjusted and we'll get this thing tasted up. All right, guys, we got our, oh man, we got our piece of ham ready to go. Look at that thing. That thing is fantastic. It smells great, doesn't it, Dodge?
Yes, it does.
Let's get a little taste here. That's pretty good. Let me get a piece of this bark over here. That bark looks great. That glaze. That's fantastic, guys. Be a good idea for your Christmas ham. Thing's fantastic. Wow. All right, guys, we're gonna bug out. It's time to eat. So, you know, I'll leave all the ingredients in the description box. Hit show more. Try this out for yourself. It's fantastic. Remember, check out Gunter Wilhelm Cutlery.com. Check out Vaughn's wood products. Awesome wood, awesome knives. Wow, this is good stuff. So guys, have a happy holidays. Have a happy holidays. And share with your friends and family. And when you do share with them, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.